For our pumpkin curry, we're going to need a lump of pumpkin or butternut or something that resembles a pumpkin, some oil, garlic, ginger, some coconut milk, chickpeas, some diced tomatoes, and some spices. The spices we're going to use are salt, pepper, love the pink salt, some chili flakes, increase the quantity of the chili flakes if you love a hot curry, some coriander, and a lump of curry powder. The first step is to peel and chop the ginger into tiny little blocks. Your favorite piece of pumpkin and skin it and chop it up into squares roughly about 2 centimeters. Next, take the can of chickpeas, drain the chickpeas and rinse well in fresh water. We now have everything we need for this wonderful creation. Okay, so let's get started. Right, in the pot we'll need a splash of oil. We are then going to fry the garlic and the chopped ginger for a couple of minutes. Once the garlic and ginger has spent a couple of minutes in the oil, add our drained chickpeas. We're then going to saute these chickpeas with the garlic and ginger for a few minutes just to get them a little bit on the crunchy side. Right, these chickpeas have spent a couple of minutes mixing with the garlic and the ginger and absorbing the flavors of the oil. Now pour in your coconut milk. Mix that all up, and you can now start adding the spices. So we got our coriander flakes, bit of ground black pepper, some pink salt from the Himalayas. I never knew the Himalayas was at sea level. I was really bad at geography. And our big chunk of curry powder. Mix that all up. Let's wait for this coconut milk to come to a boil. Okay, so now we have this mixture boiling away nicely. Let's add the chopped tomatoes. Mix that all up. And cover and simmer for about 5 minutes. This is to break down the tomatoes and let all the flavors mix amongst all the ingredients. You can also turn the heat down. This has been bubbling away for about 10 minutes. It's now time to add the pumpkin cubes. Right, stir in the chopped pumpkin carefully. Looking good. Right, once you've added the pumpkin, close it up and let it simmer from anything from 20 minutes to half an hour, depending on how you like your pumpkin or butternut. Our pumpkin curry has been simmering for about 25 minutes. The pumpkin is soft when pricked with a knife, so this is ready to be served.